Planning your first big trip? Whether you're flying to another country or road tripping across your state, these 10 simple travel hacks will save you money, stress, and time. Welcome to 5 Star Wander. Let's make your next adventure smooth and unforgettable. Tip number 1: pack smart. Use packing cubes to stay organized and roll your clothes instead of folding. It saves space and avoids wrinkles. Also, always pack a small laundry bag to keep dirty clothes separate. Tip number 2: bring a power bank. Your phone is your lifeline. Maps, bookings, translation, everything. Never travel without a power bank and make sure it's fully charged before you head out. Bonus tip: get a power bank with at least 10,000 milliamp hours. Tip number 3: download offline maps. Wi Fi isn't always available when you need it. Download offline maps from Google Maps before your trip. You'll still be able to find directions even without internet. Tip number 4: keep your important documents digital. Take clear photos of your passport, ID, and travel bookings. Save them to your phone and cloud storage. If you ever lose the original, you'll be thankful you did this. Tip number 5: book flights in incognito mode. Want cheaper flights? Use private or incognito browsing. Many travel sites raise prices when they see you searching repeatedly. It's a simple trick that can save you money. Tip number 6: bring a reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated without overpaying. Bring an empty reusable water bottle and fill it after security at the airport. It's eco-friendly, cheap, and incredibly useful on hikes or long walks. Tip number 7: learn basic local phrases. Learn just a few local phrases like hello, thank you, and where is the bathroom. Locals will appreciate it, and you'll feel more confident getting around. Tip number 8: use a money belt or hidden pouch. Tourist areas can attract pickpockets. Use a hidden money belt or neck pouch to store cash and important cards securely, especially in crowded places. Tip number 9: check for city passes. Many cities offer tourist passes that include transportation, museum entry, or attraction discounts. These passes often save you a lot compared to buying each ticket separately. And finally, tip number 10: take photos of your hotel and location. When you arrive at your hotel, snap a picture of the entrance and the nearest intersection. If you get lost or your phone dies, you'll have a visual reference to show a taxi driver or ask for help. That's it. These 10 tips can make your next trip way easier and way more fun. Subscribe to 5 Star Wander for more travel tips, destination guides, and budget hacks. Safe travels.